Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect blueberries in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see that I need to collect 9 blueberries, and if you want to collect the blueberries, just follow the guide. Okay, the blueberries are here and you can click on the collect button to collect the blueberries. Okay, let's move to the next location. Okay, click on the collect button and you will get the blueberries. And the blueberries can be in your friend's garden. It's not always in your garden. Okay, collect it again. And yeah, just like that. It's super easy. Just go to the blueberries location and click on the collect button. Okay guys, and that's how we can collect blueberries to complete missions or quests in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!